Hello, good day to you all. Welcome once again to Swapas Educational Consult. Today, this is our mathematics class and we are still treating quadratic equations. Today, we want to still continue completing the square method of solving quadratic expression. We discovered that among the method of solving quadratic equations, students always develop phobia for this completing the square method. Whenever they are asked to use completing the square method, they begin to have headache. They begin to run away. Now, I want to make something clear to us that this method is very simple. It's just that it requires some steps. So today, I'm still going to take us through the necessary steps that are required in solving quadratic equations by completing the square method. So step number one, don't forget the formula for quadratic expression. The definition of quadratic expression is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, in this case, that is the first thing that's come to our mind. Anytime we are working on quadratic expression, we should be able to identify our a, our b, and our c in the question given to us. Let us now look at this question given to us. What is the value of a? What is the value of b? And what is the value of c? The value of a is 3. Based on the definition of quadratic expression, just trace it. The value of a is 3. The value of b is 5. While the value of c is minus 7. So the first step says that we should transfer c over the bridge. That is the first step that is necessary anytime we want to apply completing the square method to solve quadratic expression. Now we have 3x squared plus 5x minus 7 is equals to 0. I said the first step is to transfer c over the bridge. Whatever the value of c is, transfer it over the bridge. And don't forget to be mindful of the sign. If you are transferring, if something is subtraction and as it is crossing the bridge, it's going to become addition. And if something is addition, as it is crossing the bridge, it becomes subtraction. Take note of that. So we are transferring c over the bridge. That is step number 1. We have 3x squared plus 5x is equals to, by the time we transfer minus 7 over the bridge, it becomes plus 7. I believe step number 1 is clear. Now, step number 2 is that we look at the value of a.